So, as the King and I, Yul Brynner, you know who that is, don't you? And of course, the crash of an F-14 today. They were supposed to be homebound. I have a penchant for strangeness. But, it's pretty clear that they're going to offload fuel drums, probably 55-gallon, and a whole bunch of cluster bombs. In the drums. And they're going to take their time arranging the cluster bombs. They're not going to drop them willy-nilly. And so when your guy shows up with that other guy, let those babies go off. They look like 4th of July on amphetamines. That's all I got right now. When do I get paid, by the way? I'm curious. Oh, never. This is your girl in Havana, Winnie the Pooh, and Tigger too.